If a laptop comes with 1 terabyte hard disk drive, then don't buy it. Okay, I'll explain it. A very common mistake people make when buying laptops or desktops or any PC is that they see something like 500 gigs or 1 terabyte of onboard memory and think it's a good purchase because that means your device will have a lot of space. But then they forget to check and find out that it's a hard disk drive or HDD and not a solid state drive or SSD. And this could really make the difference between a good PC and a bad PC. So let's compare HDDs and SSDs and understand their pros and cons. HDDs are the traditional hard drives that make use of spinning metal plates coated in a magnetic material to store data, whereas solid-state drives store data on interconnected flash memory chips. And unlike HDDs, SSDs have no moving parts. The primary differences lie in their speed, durability, noise, price, and capacity. SSDs are significantly faster and more durable due to the lack of moving parts and operate silently, making them ideal for tasks that require quick data access. However, they also tend to be more expensive, whereas on the other hand, HDDs are slower and noisier due to the mechanical parts but offer larger storage capacity at lower prices. It's true, hard disk drives are cheaper than solid state drives, but you trade off speed and durability for that low price. And over time, these factors can be very frustrating and outweigh the cost. So if going full SSD is still very expensive for you, then rather use both types of drives in a single computer, with the solid state drive as the boot drive for the operating system as well as frequently used apps, and then the hard disk drive as the additional storage capacity. So next time you're shopping for a laptop or a PC, make sure to check the kind of drive that you're purchasing and not just the size and the price tag. And just like that, we now understand the difference between a solid state drive and a hard disk drive and why solid state drives are the better option. Follow 8th Avenue for more tech advice and tech terms explained, and I'll explain it.